Make breakfast extra special by making this yummy French toast recipe. In a bowl, mix together half cup of cream, 3 eggs, beat and place it in the mixture. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, you could lessen it if you want, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Preferably thick bread ang gamitin but I only have leftover tasty bread so dinobble ko na lang. Spread butter on both sides, be generous para mas masarap. This is a great way para maubos yung mga leftover bread niya sa ref. Place the buttered bread into the custard mixture and let it absorb the cream. I let it sit there for a few minutes before toasting it into the pan and make sure that both sides absorb the cream. In a hot pan, melt some butter and toast the bread with custard. Wait for it to become golden brown before flipping it. Ready na siya pag golden brown na both sides. Ang dali lang, no? I like serving it with fruits and granola on top, then drizzle it with a generous amount of maple syrup. Make it extra by adding other fruits on top like berries. You can also add powdered sugar on top and other fruit jams on the side to make it extra special. How about you? How do you make your French toast?